Welcome to Zukkun Knows. We share our lives with animals, dogs, cats, cows, pigs. But these creatures didn't always live in our homes, farms, or food chains. We shaped them, molded them. This is the story of domestication, how humans transform wild animals into useful companions and products, and what it cost them along the way. 1. What is domestication? Domestication isn't just taming an animal. It's generations of selective breeding to make a species serve human needs. It changes behavior, appearance, and biology forever. 2. The first domesticated animal. Dogs. Dogs were likely the first to join us, descendants of wolves who hung around human camps. We bred them to be less aggressive, more obedient, and eventually adorable. What started as survival became companionship, and then customization. 3. Cows, engineered for milk, not survival. Cows are gentle giants, bred for one purpose: production. Modern dairy cows are genetic powerhouses, producing milk constantly, but they often suffer from infections, lameness, and short lifespans. Their biology serves us, but fails them. 4. Chickens, from dinosaurs to meat machines. Chickens used to be jungle birds. Now, we've bred them to grow so fast they can barely stand. They're often kept in cages, wings clipped, unable to fly, living, breathing production units. 5. Pigs, too smart for their own good. Pigs are intelligent, social, and emotional. Yet we confine them in narrow stalls, tail dock them, and breed them for meat yield. They're treated like protein packages, despite being smarter than dogs. 6. Sheep, designed for wool, not wildness. Sheep used to shed their own wool naturally. Now they grow endlessly, depending on humans to shear them. They've lost self-sufficiency, engineered for our textile needs. 7. Cats. Who really got domesticated? Cats are odd. Some say they domesticated us. But even they've changed. Bred for looks, turned into status pets, and fed by design. They keep their mystique, but they're still part of the system. 8. Horses, power, beauty, and control. Horses gave us transportation, warfare, and sport. We bred them for speed, strength, and elegance. But in the process, we also broke their legs and wore out their bodies for entertainment. 9. Silkworms, luxury at a cost. Silkworms can't survive in the wild. They've been so altered that they exist purely to make silk. They are born, spin, and die for fashion. A creature engineered into an industry. 10. Summary. Domesticated, not liberated. Domestication gave us food, comfort, and power. But it came with a trade-off. Animals lost their wildness, their autonomy, and sometimes their health. We gained control, but at what cost? We turned wild into useful. But usefulness isn't freedom. Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows. Subscribe for more stories that ask what it means to shape the world around us.